Hi everyone, this is Gabby and I am back to tell you about Thynergy. I've been using the product for about a year and a half, 2 years now, and I really love it. It has given me so much more energy throughout my day. I combine it along with diet and exercise. I go to the gym about 2 to 3 times a week. I try to keep myself active and going. I definitely recommend this product for anybody who is looking to change their life around and get a healthier jump start on their lives. So I definitely recommend it. Go out today and try Thynergy.
So if you're looking to lose weight and get in shape, then try Synergy today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.